Come on,
just because Willy Wonka kept you at the factory a couple extra hours doesn't mean you gotta take it out on us.
Yeah.
What'd he say?
He said just because Willy Wonka kept you at the factory a few fucking extra hours doesn't mean you have to get pissed off at us.
I'm pissed at you guys. I'm just not fucking buying you all food.
Come on, you're a rich bitch.
Fuck buying food for 4 people.
Yo,
Hell no.
that's $4 in tacos.
Yeah, go buy the taco box at Taco Bell.
Taco Bell's nasty.
Taco Bell is not nasty.
How many excuses can you make in your life?
Yeah, how many excuses are you gonna run out of excuses any day?
Do you even know me?
No.
Apparently not, because I will never run out of excuses.
You're a bitch.
So you fucking are. So Eddie's getting quiet. Hey, you cool?
What?
Eddie said,
What about Eddie?
I said Eddie's cool because he ain't saying shit.
Eddie never says shit.
Exactly.
Dominic said you're a punk ass bitch.
I didn't look at my messages on right here.
Taco Bell's right down the street.
I ain't buying
Oh.
fucking Taco Bell.
You're a bum. You're a bum, diggity bum bum. Alright, bye. Alright,
Vagina.
he is a vagina. Why would he call me when he's here? It makes no sense. He's a fucking bum. There's no tower here, I don't think. Oh, there's a forge tower there. There's not a forge tower here. Visit to reveal this area. Oh wait, maybe there is a forge tower. Where's the forge tower at?
Glad to see the back of our captain.
Is that it?
He was a useless schrock.
Where the fuck? Ah, there it is right there. I'd just like to take this. Huh? Yo, I did. Have you tried them yet?
Oh. Oh.
It's good. Yeah. They're fucking amazing. You seen who? You watch Nate Shot? You do? Hey. What's up? I didn't know you watched him.
I'm ready for some proper
Yeah, like vlogs. Yeah. That's what I watch. I tweeted him and I sent him a picture of the Red Velvet Shake. I wonder if he'll like retweet it or something. If y'all are enjoying the streamerino, I'd appreciate it if you hit me with a follow, my good sirs. Where's the thingy? Where's the fucking anvil? Bastards. Can I not get it yet? Where's the anvil, boys? Apparently I can't. Oh, I've already gotten it. Rip. How the fuck did I run that far, that fast? Jesus. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go kill this thingy right here. It's home.
When I go it's all. I always want a good hunting by my side. Nothing beats seeing one of their spears punching through a head or two.
Of course he does.
I ain't afraid of no category. Next one I see.
I thought you were supposed to be coming over the other day, Dominic, and I was pretty upset to come home and not see you here. Yeah, no, you said you were coming over the next day, though. Something like that.
I could crush anyone who dares to
You're a bitch. If they survive and you're not fleeing, they will increase in power. I don't know. I'm not sure.
What we waiting for? I wanna fight the beastie! I did it! I am so powerful and strong!
That's what that was? What the fuck?
Zugor.
He's a captain. Huh? What apartment? How much is it a month? Not bad. Dominic might move in.
Wait! I smelled something.
There's a nearby artifact. Where? Is it here?
It was right over by the rocks. It wasn't one
Where's
of
the
big
nearby
stones.
artifact?
It was more like a...
Oh, is it under me or something? Oh, it is under me. Shit, come on, motherfucker.
Wait! I saw something. It's a bloody car! Get him! Point me, car!
Alpha. Mortar.
The first messengers have rolled into camp. They're reporting few casualties. We've struck a mighty blow against the forces of Mordor aligned against us. Let it be so, and not fools' idle chatter. Haggadorn, what news? They say we've won a monumental victory! You've not been eating all that Athelis you've been grinding, my friend. You need healing on this day, and more's the wonder. They say the Golden King has brought back a prize. Sauron himself, wearing the heavy chains.
I have lived half my life on the boundary of Mordor, thinking it was dead, never knowing the stories it held.
The Land of Shadow is awakening from a long slumber. It has many stories yet to tell us.
Damn, I missed.
I never want to have to be at the Udun outpost again.
Where's that captain at? What are you talking about? We already got food. What are you going to get?
I could go for rallies again. That's pretty good.
Got it. Is that rallies?
I don't want to go. I don't want rallies.
I'm sure as hell not getting.
What is rallies? Oh, rallies. Oh, okay, rallies.
I'm sure as hell not getting Taco Bell.
Taco Bell's cheap.
It's also cheap tasting.
I like Taco Bell. You like Taco Bell?
Taco Bell's awesome.
You like Taco Bell? Oh no, that's 3 against 1.
The one is paying.
But you only get 2
So
votes.
it's worth like 5.
You only get 2 votes if you're paying. You get 2. Those are the rules.
5.
I mean, we can get Taco Bell and you can get rallies.
No.
Why?
Because I'm not going to fucking.
Taco Bell's literally right there. That's like not even a place. That's just a walk.
This just man. I can't. When you're hungry, man, you don't go out.
I killed the war chief.
What? Don't you have to go through some missions to get to that point?
I've been doing missions.
I promoted Rat Face.
To captain.
Captain.
And then you promote him again to another captain, and then you promote him one more time to war chief. Bodyguard. And then he goes to bodyguard. His bodyguard. It's a yeah, but they're bodyguards of the war chief.
Boss told me we should get ready to march out of Voodoo in a bit. Make no sense.
I know. Where is this fucking captain at? There's an artifact right there.
Is that Arby's? Or McDonald's?
Look at these.
I need to go to McDonald's.
Oh, my bad.
You're so cute.
Wow.
I just want to pinch your cheeks.
I'm always hurting.
My back hurts all the time for some reason.
It's because you get fucked.
Don't let your daughter outside or she's gonna get fucked. You can't let her outside. You don't want her to get fucked. She's gonna get fucked. That's why, but I'll have my son fuck other daughters. You fucked that bitch. You gotta fuck her. If you don't fuck her, she's gonna get fucked by another guy. And then it's not as good.
So you better be the fucker.
You gotta be the fucker, not the fucky. It's a fucker fuck world out here.
I despise him.
So what do you want?
Hold on, let me finish this mission and we can go.
Finally, I'm free.
Oh, you're on this. No, it's to upgrade a deck. Hey, if you just run up to those guys and then run back, they'll keep respawning. You can go back and forth. Because they'll keep respawning. Oh, far away.
Come on, liver. How many? Oh, I'm supposed to do 10. I'm already halfway there.
Yeah. Oh. X1 if you get detected.
Must be a lot of work. Push out and always having to worry about how to stop the ranger.
guy. We'll take it. Damn, dude. I love that.
Thank you, Ranger.
That works, I guess. The last one, he's facing the wall, so go to your left.
Stop backseat gaming. Ooh, achievement, Legend of the Shadow, son.
What doesn't give you any
Thank you.
You're right, you're right. Weapon upgrades complete. Another side missions to earn enough, and you'll be able to purchase a devastatingly powerful ability for your dagger, the Shadow. Allow you to disappear for sure. What?
Yeah, but you
Unlimited.
gotta do 10 missions for that. The bow one, for the bow, I don't know.
What's up, bro?
So bow is like rapid fire arrows.
Damn. You done streaming for the night, man? So this captain is actually linked to that war chief. He knows about him. Got you.
everything right now. Give me the cat.
Get to Witcher 3, you scrub. Buy it for me, BB. The Witcher 3 is actually only $30 on G2A. I might buy it.
G2A is the fucking greatest.
It is pretty good.
I should make a list just so anytime you buy something. You can't give yourself one.
Yeah, I found that out.
Why would you think that possible?
Hey, you never know, man. Oh, so this captain's linked to... Oh, shit, I'm probably gonna have to kill, Ratbag.
Oh, they're linked?
Yeah, they're linked to the war chiefs. Like, you have to, find this guy, and before you kill him, you have to get him really weak, grab him, and then interrogate him. And then he gives you intel on that war chief.
So that just means he's, that doesn't mean that they're linked, that just means he has intel on him.
Yeah, basically. I mean, they're kind of linked by that.
That's just...
That means they're linked. You see that? It goes from him to him. That's a link. Duh. Fucking idiot. This guy over here, Dominic. You hear this guy? Jesus. Blah, blah, blah. Because D2A is so... Hey! Shut up.
What do you say? What do you say? I can't read.
Oh my god.
It's not that I can't read in general. I just can't read from where I'm sitting at. What's his name? Jake Powell?
Yeah. He's a RS streamer.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, he's a noob, though.
He is a noob. He sounds like a noob.
Yeah, he's fucking noob. His name's James, too. And he's fucking from Canada.
Check Canada, eh?
We're just trolling. Troll. Canada, eh? Alright. I think we're about to go get food. All of us. Because there's like 4 motherfuckers in my apartment right now.
I fucked tons of mothers.
Tons of them. How many of them did you fuck?
I'll fuck
Every mother? I'm a motherfucker, you're a motherfucker, we're all motherfuckers. Fuck each other's mothers. Helicopter dick. Unlocks a rune slot on your soul.
RuneScape so bad.
Maybe you should get internet. Jim wants your dollars. G2A is shit, but give me dollars because I need dollars, and G2A is shit. Shite.
He's He's got your number. So who's driving? I'm paying any drive.
Why are you such a bitch?
Because
His muffler fell off. He's like, guess what happened when I was going on the interstate the other day? He's like, what? I was like, what? He's like, my muffler fell off.
it was at like fucking 80 miles per hour, so I looked back and just see the black thing fly up spinning behind my car.
He thought he blew out a tire. I was like, bro.
I punctured it because I heard like a loud popping sound on the ground.
If you blew out a tire, you'd be dead.
Yeah, I'm gonna go like
my muffler! No! No! I wasn't ready! No! He had that bitch fucking taped on there.
The shit that was holding it in place is still there. It's just gone. Huh?
He's gonna get a new car.
Fuck that, I'm driving this car until it won't
User
drive
joined your
anymore.
channel.
You should.
I paid $3 grand, I'm gonna get as much out of it as
You should probably just buy a new car.
I will, but after I drive
Maybe.
this
Yeah, what's up, Goldie? I'm about to go eat though, so I'm probably gonna go AFK for a little bit.
Okay, I will be here waiting you
Away from keyboard, buddy.
with my kids. Just waiting for you, baby.
They can hear you with that mic.
Yeah, this mic's pretty loud. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream for a bit. Go get me some food, and then I'm gonna come back and play Terraria.
About that Twitch life. Stopping streaming for eating. What's food?
Fuck you.
How about Dominic?
My fucking window doesn't go down.
What?
We're gonna have to go inside.
Jim, why you know face cam?
I'll fuck it out.
Cause I don't have the money to buy a face cam.
I have one. I can give you one. Hey, Stream, I can give him a face cam. His excuses are bullshit.
You wanna get your ass kicked? There's like so many box cutters in here, and I'll shank you with them.
Yeah,
I don't
why
want
are
to.
there so many box cutters in here.
I don't want a shit face cam. I want a good face cam that's not gonna be all fucking pixelated,
It's not bad.
and you're gonna look like an like you're just gonna look. It's gonna be shit.
It's not
Like
that bad.
film it with a fucking
It costs
potato.
$60, bitch.
Film it with a
ain't that
potato.
He's gonna look like Steve from Minecraft.
bad.
Yeah, I don't want to look like Steve from Minecraft, all pixelated and
It
shit.
ain't that bad.
Let me see it. You have it out?
No, it's packed up in his fucking closet, and he's not gonna go get it. He's just being an asshole.
No, I'll get it. If Stream really wants it, I'll get it for him.
No one likes you.
Pre-purchasing now. Let me a hero too.
Alright, fools, I'll be right back. When we go get food, we're gonna smash right quick, and then we're gonna continue the Streamerino with some Terraria, and yeah, we'll probably play till like 5 o'clock in the morning. So I'll be back, motherfuckers.
5 o'clock in the morning?
Check you later.